Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, April 19, 2025. Jericho Rosales, I'm Janine's boyfriend. At the wake of Janine's Lola Pilita, he says, let's just put it out there. Diretsahang inamin ni Jericho Rosales sa harap ng pamilya at mga kamag-anak ni Janine Gutierrez na siya ay boyfriend ng dalaga. Nangyari ito habang nagbibigay siya ng tribute speech para sa lola ni Janine, ang Asia's Queen of Songs na si Pilita Corrales, noong Huwebes ng gabi, April 17, 2025. Pumanaw si Pilita sa edad na 87 noong April 12, 2025. Si Pilita ang ina ni Ramon Christopher Monching Gutierrez, na daddy ni Janine. Sa video na ibinahagi ng netizen na si Isi Rapadas sa Facebook, maririnig dito ang mga salita ni Jericho. Bahagi ng kanyang tribute speech, I'm here because I'm supporting an amazing family. It's the first family, large, huge family, na sobrang tight-knit. If you want a definition of a family, this is the family. And I've been so honored to just, I've been spending time with them because I'm Janine's boyfriend. Kahit nasa Lumahi, maririnig sa chapel ang sigawan at palakpakan mula sa mga dumalo sa burol. Dagdag pa ni Jericho, so, let's just put it out there. Okay, but I'm here, I think I'm honored to be here because of my mother. My mother has Alzheimer's and she loves to sing a lot. And the songs that she sings are songs of Ms. Pilita Corrales. So I always say that her songs just go beyond memory because it's embedded in her heart. Every time Janine goes to the house, mag-iiyakan sila ng 45 minutes because Mama would sing Pilita Corrales' songs to her. And they'll just cry. And so, I just let them cry. Pagkatapos ng kanyang speech, nag-alay ng kanta si Jericho. August 2024, sa junket ng ABS-CBN series na Lavender Fields, nung inanunsyo ni Jericho na sila ni Janine ay officially dating. Bisitahin ang Facebook ni Isi Rapadas at i-follow ito.
Mr. Pogi 1996. And then I met Janine 26 years later. I'm here because I'm supporting an amazing family. It's the first family, large, huge family na sobrang tight-knit. If you want a definition of a family, this is the family. And I've been so honored to just, I've been spending time with them because I'm Janine's boyfriend, so let's just put it out there.
At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates. Like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.